Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on the capture feature. Open Settings, then Captures and Broadcasts, and enable party audio recording so the system will include chat. Next, make sure your audio output is set to the same device you use for voice, headset, or TV, because the Ps5 captures what's routed. Finally, choose the active microphone input. If you use the dual sense mic or an external USB headset, select it so party voices are routed into clips. Once done, you're ready to record. Now record and include the chat. Press the Create button while playing and select Save Recent Gameplay or Start New Recording for a fresh clip. Before you finalize saving, inspect the dialog and toggle Include Microphone or Include Party Audio to On. This attaches voice chat to the saved file. If you stream instead, open Broadcast Settings and choose to include party audio in your stream. That ensures what you capture locally matches what viewers hear. Make sure volumes are balanced so voices are audible. Finish by exporting or sharing your clip. Copy to USB or send via the PS app and preview audio tracks to confirm party voices are present. If you don't hear chat, check privacy and online safety to ensure voice capture is allowed and ask party members to permit recording on their end. Also update Ps5 system software and headset firmware, verify mic isn't muted, and restart the console. Doing these steps fixes most capture glitches and lets you re-record successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.